Meal prep, let's make a delicious chocolate lovers overnight oats recipe. So this is what you'll need: some old-fashioned oats, some vanilla extract, some Flavor God chocolate donut flavor, some cocoa powder, chia seeds, agave nectar, some of that vanilla oat milk, and a jar or something to put it in. Let's get started. Okay, so again, let's go ahead and get started and put all of our concoctions together. So the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to put 3/4 cup of your vanilla milk into your jar. You're also going to add in a 1/2 cup of oatmeal, old-fashioned oats. You're going to add in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You're then going to add in 1 teaspoon of Flavor God, and you're also going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So let's do that now. Okay, so all I did was put all of those ingredients in here and shook it up. So again, I have a 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats, 3/4 cup of vanilla flavored oat milk, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of Flavor God chocolate donut seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of agave nectar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this sit overnight for at least 4 hours. Tomorrow for breakfast, I'm going to get up and give it a good stir. If it's too thick, I might add a little bit more of that oat milk, just a little. And I want you to stick around for part 2 so that you can see how I finish this off. Bon appetit. All right, so let me show you how I finished that delicious chocolate lovers overnight oats, so rich and creamy. So this has been in the refrigerator for about 3 days now. And as you can see, it's so creamy, it smells amazing, and it's delicious. I'm gonna put 1 little dollop of this Oats sugar-free yogurt to make it a little bit more creamy, and then I'll show you how I put it together. Now that I've added that tablespoon of no sugar added Greek yogurt, let's put it together. So I have 3 strawberries, so we're gonna dump that in there. We have, oh wait, let me fix that. 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts, and 1 teaspoon of those Nestle Toll House semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're gonna put that on top. And there you have it. This is my delicious chocolate lovers overnight oats. Again, it's been in the refrigerator for about 3 or 4 days, I forget. But it's absolutely delicious. It tastes decadent, but guess what? It's only 400 or roughly 430 calories. It's 13 grams of fat. It's got 12 grams of protein in it, and it's got 12 grams of fiber. So that means that this meal is going to keep you longer, fuller. Bon appetit.